Mullen fam, today was a stanky day, I ain't even gonna lie. 75 cents area seemed to be the bounce zone for Mullen stock for quite some time. And that range has been broken. We've been on a steady staircase down to the downside since we reached around 94 cents per share. Almost getting to that $1 range. And the market makers was like, nope. Last week, there was a short-term bearish indicator that we received on Mullen stock, and that indicated that the bulls have lost control and the shorts were taking over again. Off exchange volume around 76% on the day out of around 100 million shares total traded on today. Investor Place wants us to mark our calendars again, just like they did June 30 and the quarter two. Says that Mullen Automotive has an October launch that's going to take place, demonstrating the Mullen 5 EV crossover. It's going to be a fully functional vehicle, doing test drives and demonstrations. Something we already knew. Do you consider it bullish or bearish PR? Because it seems like the PRs that come out is not really what Mullen shareholders want to hear. And the stock continues to get chopped down ever so gently. But for my personal opinion, this PR indicates that things are still on track. It's putting it out there for the public to see and new investors to see as well. We did get a push in pre-market up to about 81 cents. So I consider this PR a neutral. Out of bullish or bearish, I consider it neutral, because we know that this stock needs a banger, and maybe an unexpected banger, just to interrupt the shorts. Mullen Chairman and CEO David Mystery said the following in news release: "We are thrilled to launch the first fully functional demonstrator 5 EV crossover vehicles this October. Mullen and Huffer have been working diligently to have these vehicles ready in time for Mullen's strikingly different U.S. tour. Congratulations to both Huffer and Mullen teams on being able to make this monumental effort a reality." While Mullen stock isn't seeing much activity on today's news, it could when the launch happens. That's why investors in the company will want to keep an ear open for when the actual launch takes place. Fox Street wants us to know that Mullen extends their slump amid risk-off flows, but there's a piece in this article that I wanted to go over with you all, and it is talking about Mullen Automotive is stretching investors in two directions. On the one hand, increasing the total share count from 377 million at the end of the second quarter to 2.25 billion is highly dilutive and suggests the company will need to pursue a reverse stock split at some time in the near future, since NASDAQ requires listed companies to keep their shares above $1. I told you that is the fear, that is the atmosphere that's set right now ever since we dropped below $1 following the 26th of July shareholder meeting. Also says, on the other hand, shareholders have known all along that Mullen's executive team was focused on funding the automotive startup via equity rather than debt. Headquartered in Brea, California, the company had less than $9 million in total debt at the end of June, and management said it wants to even cut that amount by 77%. On top of the financing structure, Mullen has been producing a steady bevy of positive headlines all summer. So my final thought for you all: I believe that the other side wants to play both sides of this play. They want to send that volume, 80+% off exchange of Mullen's total volume, make some money shorting here and there. But eventually, the other side is going to go long on Mullen Automotive, which some institutions have already done and have been doubling down on their long positions in Mullen Automotive. In the meantime, they are hoping not to get burned before they are ready and forced to cover their short positions. Remember, limited downside, unlimited upside, as long as you hold during the covering. That's all I got for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all stay charged up out there, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm gone. Go.
Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through in the clutch.